Hi everybody and welcome back. If you are a returning subscriber, hi, I hope you had a beautiful week. And if you're new to this channel, hello, my name is Annalisa J and I post new videos every week. A couple of changes coming, very excited. I finally decided to integrate my Instagram with my YouTube, and soon there will be also my website that's gonna have an extension of the content that I post on YouTube, such as some recipes and other things about style, pictures, more visuals, because you guys ask me all the time. So I'm trying to integrate the three. So if you haven't already, go check out my Instagram, go check out my website. My website is not quite ready yet, but I will leave all the links down in the description box, as well as all the links for this video. So let's get into today's video. I wanted to share with you what I am currently enjoying so much. And I don't do a monthly favorites because I usually have my tried and true, but I thought this could be the summer edition of what I'm currently loving. Some of you might know this item, some of you might not. I also want to know what you are enjoying this summer, so share it with me in the comments below. Also, side note, turn on the notification bells because this week on Wednesday there will be a bonus video. It's not a short, it's a requested video that I'm very excited about, and it will drop on Wednesday. The first item I want to share with you, it's a face sunscreen that I have been recently loving. I've spent a lot of time outside recently, especially at the beach, and I have very sensitive skin. So I have to be careful with certain sunscreen because they will break me out. However, this is amazing. I wear it daily, also underneath my makeup, which is very light in summer, but still it creates a beautiful base, and it is this sunscreen from Shiseido. It is Urban Environment Oil-Free UV Protector. It has an SPF of 42. It's oil-free. It's very liquidy, it goes in like a dream. You need just a couple of drops and it just feels really good on. The scent is very mild and it's amazing for delicate skin or sensitive skin. Therefore, it's great for everyone. Have you tried it? Do you know of it? I am absolutely in love with this product. This is my holy grail of facial sunscreen this year. The next item, it's one of my favorite dishes, especially right now that melons are in season and they are sweet and just juicy and refreshing. And this is an Italian dish, prosciutto e melone. So stay with me. If you have never tried it, give it a try. You just take a nice slice of melon or cantaloupe and a slice of prosciutto. You can dress it up with a little bit balsamic, but let's start simple. And I absolutely love the contrast of the saltiness of the prosciutto with a little bit of the sweetness as well, and the juiciness and sweetness of the cantaloupe or the melon. It's a delicious contrast. It kind of goes together like a marriage made in heaven. And in summer, it's such an exquisite little snack, appetizer, or you can make a whole dinner out of it. I usually pack some with me and take it to the beach with a little cooler because it's the perfect refresher with a little bit of nutrition that you can have after spending a day in the sun. Have you tried it? Do you like it? Why don't you if you don't? Also, if you are into summer salad or really refreshing dishes, I left in my community tab an amazing recipe for a fennel blood orange salad. Super easy to make, super refreshing, super crunchy, and just very satisfying. If you haven't checked it out, go take a look at it. Speaking of the beach, recently I have been loving different beach hats. I'm having a lot of fun with them. They keep the sun off my eyes and you can just play with colors and shape. I am loving this one and you can wear it two ways, as you can see right here. I love a lot of different hats. This one is super casual, while I have another one that's actually made in Italy. It's made 100% of paper, the old traditional way, and it is a little bit more elegant if you want to dress it up. Also, I'm a big fan of baseball hats in the summer if you're out and about being casual or if you have a bad hair day. Also, because I know somebody would ask, remember I had my hair dyed pretty dark, but because they were blondish underneath and because I'm going to the beach a lot, This is the result of the color kind of washing out, which I actually like it. It's not so severe. It's fun for summer. I'm probably not gonna bother too much with them again until we get into fall because going to the beach, the seawater, the pool is just gonna wash it right off. Which brings me to another favorite of mine this year, and especially because I've done so much to my hair. It's a conditioner from Oreb, and it is a brilliance and shine conditioner, but it also has fortifying properties, conditioning your hair in a very lightweight, almost non-existent way, so it doesn't get weighed down and it's not, all greasy looking. Another note on this conditioner, it is sodium chloride and parabens free, and it's made in the United States. Speaking of the beach, relaxing, the pool, summer, there are some books that I have been loving that are the perfect beachside or poolside read. One of them I recommended to you last week. It is La Bella Figura, which is so dreamy, and I love her story. I love her accent. Just she paints the perfect picture of Italy, the do's and the don'ts, and all her experiences with Italian men's, which I find hilarious because it's so spot on. Also, another one, it's a little bit more serious that I absolutely love, and I recommend listening to this one. It's Green Light by Matthew McConaughey. Oh my gosh, this book is amazing. The whole point of view on this book is so inspiring, and it's so just motivating not to sweat the small stuff or to always see the glass half full. I recommend listening to it because I don't think it's going to have the same effect if you read it yourself. He reads it how he speaks with his accent, with his passion, with his intonation. And so by listening to it on Audible or any other place where you can listen to books, you're gonna get the full experience. And come on, it's Matthew McConaughey. Yes, celebrity crush. I recently switched my face wash to Alafia Everyday Coconut, and this face wash is super mild. It smells amazing to me. It's very botanical, very natural, and it's made with coconut. It leaves your skin very clean but also very supple and hydrated. It really foams in a luxurious foam, and this company is absolutely spectacular for what they are doing. Let me tell you about it. Alafia is a clean hair and skincare brand that uses fair trade to source handcrafted raw ingredients from West Africa. They're also paraben free, sulfate free, super skin friendly. They are really, really involved with sustainability. A portion of the Alafia sales go toward improving living condition by helping with maternal care, education, school supply, reforestation, eyeglasses, and school constructions in Togo, West Africa. I think it's an amazing brand. I've been using their body wash, their face wash now, and I am loving it. So check it out. This is not sponsored. This is just me really loving this brand. If you notice today, I am not wearing red. I am wearing something that's a little bit more summery, more light, more sheer, more fresh. And this is a little lip balm from Chanel called Chanel Lip Beige. And this is in Intense. It's kind of a red burgundy, but it's very sheer. It just adds a little bit of a tint. It feels amazing on the lips. It's super moisturizing, and it just stays there, and you can just touch it up. It gives you that little pop of color for when you want to go very natural but still have a little on the lips. I am loving it. They have 3 different shades. This one is my favorite. Can you see it? Okay, get ready because this is what in Italy we would call a Patugo, which means a mess, but it's a good mess. I am a coffee lover. You guys know that, and I love different methods of brewing coffee, which there will be a video coming up because it's been requested many times. However, when I'm on the go and I need to do it fast, I don't have time to set up the whole mocha, so I use my Nespresso machine with the pods. Well, guess what? My favorite coffee company made pods for my Nespresso. That is another marriage made in heaven, and what I do with it is a pachugo, which means I pour a shot of espresso over the non-dairy Magnum chocolate vanilla bar, and it gets all melty and gooey, and the chocolate melts and the vanilla melts, and it's just like a little affogato made at home. And oh, in summer is the most decadent, disgusting looking thing, but it's so delicious. So, have you tried an affogato? And if so, what do you think? It needs to be done with espresso. That's the important thing because you want that kick of coffee flavor mixed in with the dark chocolate and the vanilla, and that is so delicious to me. Also, this summer I've been enjoying a lot more time outdoor. I'm trying, to get a little bit of color going and just being, in the fresh air. It feels so good. It's so recharging. If you haven't done it, do it. Put on your tennis shoes, your flip flops, whatever it is, take a drive with your windows down. Just get some fresh air, some wind in your hair. It feels amazing. What have you been enjoying this summer so far? What are some of your discovery? What are some products or things that you're like, wow, I can't believe I'm doing that now? I want to know. And a quick apology for last week, but we thought we were gonna adopt a little dog and it didn't work out. So I was getting everything ready and shopping and doing all the things. And so we're still looking. Bummer. I was so excited. But I know our dog will come along when the time is right. So I just thought I had to let you know because I did not post last week. So that's what I have for you guys today. I am going to link everything that I mentioned down below. And if you have any questions, as usual, hit me up in Instagram, in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do all of the things that the algorithm loves, and it's gonna help my channel out a lot. And it shows me all your love and support, which I appreciate so much. Bye, see you next week. No, see you Wednesday with the special video. Bye.